What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you survived the market turmoil over the last 2 weeks. Today we're looking at a viewer requested video. This is RYCEY, ticker symbol RYCEY. This is Rolls Royce Holdings, the ADR of the official stock. This is the $8 stock at the moment. By the time this video comes out, maybe it'll be more or less. But the official non-split price is over 600. So we're going to look and see if the stock is worth $8 or less or more. We're also going to look at some advanced charting on Think or Swim here. I've got it already pulled up. I also do have the numbers pre-filled in because I was loading everything and it was taking so long. So what I did is I went to Yahoo Finance and pulled all the data to capture my proprietary stock price calculation, which is essentially looking at the market cap, the revenue, the net income, total cash on hand, total debt, and the shares outstanding. So I was able to grab all this, and I do need to note that all of these numbers are in pounds. So you need to, if you're going to calculate with me or want to cross compare, you have to convert GBP to USD. So that ate up a lot of time. So I saved everyone a tremendous amount of time. So we have the market cap of 70.3 billion. In net income was 3.2 billion. Sales for the last quarter was 24.25 billion. This is all USD. Cash on hand was 609 million USD. Total debt was 6.5 billion. Now the shares outstanding, again, I just Googled it because trying to navigate the sites for this information is definitely a challenge. So we have 8.391 billion shares outstanding, 8,391,000,000. That gets us a potential stock price of $10.95. So this stock was trading around 11. Let's go ahead and just jump on in to the stock here. It did get to 1093. Wow, really? High was 1091. My calculation says 1095. Wow. Okay, I'm not a savant, I promise, but that is pretty amazing. Before we look into this a little bit further, I do just want to note and see what big money is doing. So you can go to Fintel as well and look up this data. We're looking at, again, RYCEY stock is, it's not showing the stock price here. However, we can go down and see, we do have some pretty large purchases down here. 1.8 million shares, 313,000 shares, 582,000 shares, incredible accumulation there. 1.19 million shares in early February. I mean, look at all these companies sold out, but all these ones that have added to their positions as well. Like this one, anything that doesn't have a minus. So Atlas Capital decreased, Sterling Capital decreased. These greens are new positions. So pretty insane buying by these institutions. We do need to know that there's 8 billion shares outstanding. So just be cognizant of that. The stock price did get to 1090, and this has been holding up very well compared to other stocks in the sector. A lot of stocks in the sector have retraced about 50%. If this stock were to retrace about 50%, it would bring us down to about 550, which would probably be right in this area, like right, let's just mark it up. Get out of here. It would be probably right there. No, it's 465 right here. Right in this range of 550 going all the way back. I would even go as far as right there. Okay. Is it going to get that low? I cannot foresee, but we did hit some major resistance here, and you can see this stock is battling two different fights here. We've got our original cycle high to our cycle low. Then we've got our cycle high, our cycle low, And we calculated the new high going 1235. Look at how close, and this was, if you look at my last Rolls Royce video, this is all just based on data and where we could see the potential stock price going. We could see there was a lot of, last time I reviewed this video, I think it was last summer, there was a lot of action right here. So that's where I placed our Fibonacci. And you can see it's respected it very well. I think we might hit 1242 by 12/1/2028. However, the way that this is moving, and if it continues to move up as it has, this thing could really take off, in my opinion. So it really depends if this thing wants to retrace and take a breather. Again, it went from $21 down to 71 cents, and then 71 cents up to 1091. So over a 1,000% move. So that's all I have for you guys here. It's a short video. I did save a lot of time just entering the data. Yeah, if you guys made this far, consider subscribing. Hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in the next one.